Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free leads from Facebook. I'm Ben and welcome to my channel, Make Simple Income. So in this video we're going to be talking about Facebook, and Facebook is very powerful social media. And there's a lot of things you can do with Facebook when it comes to contacting people and talking to people and reaching out to people. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. Now, number one, the wrong way to doing Facebook is to go and spam your link. Never spam your link. Don't go in groups and spam your link. Don't go on people's Facebook pages and spam your link, because you will get banned, you'll get blocked, and you won't last long at all doing it that way, and you won't get any customers. The thing you want to do is you want to create value. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. It's very simple. It's not going to take a long time, but I'm going to show you the right way to do it, and I'm going to show you the way that I do it. Some people might have a little different approach, but this is my secret, and my secret is I never give anybody my affiliate link. And I'll show you how I do it, and I'll show you right now. So let's go over to my screen over here. So if you see on my screen in this group here, I stroke up a conversation with Asfer Ram. I'm terrible at names, and I'm sorry, but he asked right here in his post was, what are traffic methods you guys are using to promote your affiliate products? So I came down here and I posted in the group, and I just leave it open-ended. Make it simple, make it just open-ended. Start the conversation. Always create value and create curiosity in all your posts if you can. Not being salesy, just create curiosity. And I just wrote, I use Facebook ads, I use YouTube ads, I have a YouTube channel, and I use TikTok. And he happened to be interested in TikTok, so he was asking me, so how do you do TikTok? So I kept it short and sweet. I pretty much told him, how to use hashtags and 15 to 30 seconds. I find blah 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 for making the good videos and making them get some views and stuff like that. So what I did in turn is I put my my TikTok video in, and I said, check it out. So he asked me a couple things, awesome knowledge, that was great. And he asked me a couple other things, and I'm like, once you get 1,000 subscribers to your TikTok channel, you could put a link in your bio. So he was like, all right, cool. And he saw that I posted it. But here's the thing. Also, what's worked is because I posted here, I actually got traffic to my TikTok page, and I actually got people to like my TikTok post. And here's the thing is, I'm not a huge TikTok. I just started TikTok a little while ago, but as you can see, I'll show you. Here's my TikTok channel. As you could see here that, I only have 18 followers and 59 likes, but I am getting a lot of views here. I got 164, 167, so I'm making traction. But I also was able to get some subscribers and some more views from doing that one simple post from this group here. And I can't stress that enough, is make sure you're always providing value. And I just leave it at that. So on another case, I also do other different posting too. Like a lot of groups I join, like especially the groups, they'll have like a free posting up. So the free posting will be like, you could promote whatever you want on Fridays or whatever. So okay, so I'll do a promotion post. So when I do a promotion post, I don't leave a link to my affiliate program. I see a ton of people in there leaving links. I mean, like, okay, check out 12-minute, affiliate, check out Ted's Woodworking, check out weight loss, blah, blah, promoting this, promoting that, promoting this. Nobody's going to buy. Nobody's probably even going to go check it out. They're not even going to see what you're doing. They're not even going to get on your list. They're not going to do anything. They're just going to ignore it. It keeps going down. What I will do is I will link back to a YouTube video. I'll say, hey, check out this YouTube video I just made. Maybe this will save you some money. Maybe this will save you some time. Maybe this can help you out. And by doing that, I'm creating trust. I'm creating value. And I always have a call to action in my YouTube videos or my TikTok channel, or if I'm writing any blog posts or anything like that. So you don't need, a YouTube channel to do this either. You don't need a TikTok. You can do it with a blog. You can even use you can even start a Facebook page, and you can put all your information there and say, hey, go check out my Facebook page. I just did an article on that, or I just did something explaining how to do that, or maybe this will help you, or maybe this will save you money, either or. And now you're providing value. Always provide value, because people follow people. They do not follow brands. And people trust people. And you have to earn that trust, and you have to build that trust. But once you earn that trust and start building that trust, then, it just starts compounding from there. Like that's my pretty much just the whole secret I use is when I'm posting on when I'm posting on Facebook groups, I create value. I create curiosity and everything. So if you see here, I have a bunch of Facebook groups that I am in, that I've joined. See, I got Deadbeat Market, because I'm doing affiliate marketing, obviously. So Deadbeat Revolution, affiliate marketing. So I, just create curiosity. So I just posted this one today. You could see Market Samurais, Franklin Hatch. If you guys don't know who Franklin Hatch is, he's a huge internet marketer. He's really good. He teaches a lot of these things as well too. He'll tell you what to do and not to do if you don't believe me. But you can see this morning. What was this today? 3 hours ago. This morning when I was on, Marco here was helping. Glad to be this group. I learned a lot from affiliate marketing. Franklin, blah blah, is inspiring. And he posts that he wants to actually buy traffic before he buys his course. And I was like, eh. So we looked at the comments. If you look at the comments here, I'll bring them up. And so Rory here was like, welcome to the group, blah blah blah. I don't recommend doing that. And then I just commented on Roy's. I'm like, yeah, right. Buy the course, buy affiliate course before I just start running traffic blind. And then I just started open up, open conversation. And I was like, what are you planning on promoting? And then I also said, I promote digital products just like Frank does. Okay, cool. So now if I get any action on that post, somebody might comment on it like, I promote this, I promote that. And I'll be like, oh, I promote this, and I do really well with this. And before you know it, like that person might want to friend me. So after they friend me, I'll accept their friend request on Facebook, and then I'll strike up more conversation. But I'll let them engage it, and then they'll usually IM me, so instant messenger, and they'll get on there, and then I'll give them all the details of what I'm doing and how I can help them. But see, I create a value, so they're coming to me, and that's what you want. You want your customers to come to you. It's the law of attraction. That's it right there. Is the law of attraction, and that's what you want. When you have that kind of marketing, your customers are coming to you, and it's a lot easier. You don't have to sell them. They're ready to buy from you at that point because they trust you. They like what you're saying. It makes sense to them. They see that you're helping them. So, like I said, again, people follow people. People do not follow brands. So always create value and always over deliver. So here's like, if you need to find groups, like here's one way I find groups too to get in, especially in my market. So like I said, I'm in affiliate marketing, so I know a big affiliate marketer name is John. Let's see, it'd probably come up. John Crestani. So here we are on John Crestani's YouTube page, and if we scroll down, you can see we have all these resources here, right? So here we go. We've got his Discord group, home run, Reddit group, home run, Facebook group, home run. So this is how you can find this, guys. You can go to these gurus' YouTube channels, and a lot of them have their own private Facebook groups where they market to as well, and you can join them. And as long as you abide by the rules, like most of them, don't spam links, don't IM people, don't try taking people out of their group, and as long as you follow the rules, you're good. And like I said, I try to create curiosity and leave it open-ended. I just simply talk to them like that, and before you know it, they're friending me. And I friend them back, and it works. I get leads, I get sales that way. So let's talk about this a little bit. So let's talk about what to promote and what works really well with this. So like I said, I like to promote products that people are using and that people need in the marketplace. The reason I like digital products is because they actually help people. I like to build a brand for myself as a brand. I would never use a company and just brand myself to a company. Build yourself as a brand. This way you have options and people trust and like you, and that's what you want. Because that's why I won't promote a lot of this ClickBank stuff, because I don't get behind it. I don't stand behind it. I don't like the products. Most of the products are junk. There are some good products on ClickBank, don't get me wrong, but probably 90% of them are like fluff and junk, and I won't promote those because I won't put my face on those. I like to do digital products because people need those. I like products like email software, squeeze page software, website builders, hosting, things that people need. If you're going to start an online business, or even local businesses, will need email marketing and will need websites and everything else like that for their company. So that's what I like to do. I like to do digital marketing and promote digital marketing. I trust it. I can stand behind it. I'm comfortable with it. I have no problems promoting it. I put my face on it. I help people with it. And it just, for me, it works really well. Like one of the great products that I like to promote is Builderall. I don't know if any of you guys ever heard of Builderall, but I like to use Builderall. One, I use the product. Two, it has a great affiliate program. So right there, home run. It's easy to sell a product, especially when you're using it and you like it. So like Builderall, it has everything you need. It has email marketing. It has webinar software. It has squeeze page software. It has, like, you could build Shopify store with your own cart. It provides everything you need, one-stop shop. Has great, the prices are great, so the value is good as well. If you can offer your customers value, especially over a competitor's software, right there, already gives you an edge when you're promoting things as well too. Because like when you can create a lot of value, it's hard for people to say no when it comes down to. So please subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. I'm going to leave some links in the description. Like I said, I always promote whatever you're doing. When you bring the people to your, whether TikTok, whether it be your YouTube, whether it be your blog, at the end, always promote. I got links at the bottom. Check out my TikTok page. I'm gonna leave that down there. If you guys want to check out Builderall, or if you need to use squeeze pages or email marketing, I'm gonna leave a $1 1-month trial for it. If you'd like to become part of my group in Builderall and want to learn affiliate marketing, we're here to help you. Leave some comments. I'll be happy to connect with you. Once again, like, subscribe. Thanks. I'll talk to you guys soon.